Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Donnie, and you're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie. I have an unboxing from Amazon today, brought to you by Saner Direct. They sent me this 4-pack of diamond paintings to show you, and let's get started. They came in, I think it was in a bag. Yeah, they sent this bag inside of an Amazon bag. And it's inside of another bag. So this is the company that has the A2 light pad that I showed not too long ago. You can see that video up here in the corner. Look for the little eye. Click on that and you can see the video. You can watch it later or now or whatever. But I talked to them because it's not listed anymore. But it's because of the coronavirus. They weren't able to get any sent to the Amazon warehouse because of that. But they are working really hard to get more sent in. And at that point, you're more than welcome to purchase it because it is a really good deal. And it's an awesome A2 light pad. So today, this 4-pack is a setup of cardinals. So for those people that like birds or cardinals, this might be the one set that you might like to get. Let me look. They're in order, so I'm going to start from the beginning number. And that would be this one. Okay. So here's a picture of what this one looks like. It is a couple of birds. It looks like a cardinal. That must be what a female cardinal looks like. I never was sure about that. In a snowy background. It's really hard for me to tell from this thumbnail I have here. All right. I should have probably kept these a little nicer packaging, but let's see. They are 40 by 30 images, but I think that is the canvas size. So let's see. Let me get my measuring tape here and we'll figure that out. Okay, so width-wise, it's about 35 centimeters, and length is almost 25. So it's about a 25 by 35. And yes, here's the first one. It has 17 colors, and they use all numbers and letters in the key. And they do have DMC codes. And here is your drill field. Even in the red areas where there's lots of different shades of red, you can see them really clear. There's no mistaking symbols on this. This is a very clear canvas. Yeah, and so you can actually see it really well. So it should come out nicely, just like the thumbnail. At least from what I can see from the thumbnail. It's pretty tiny. So there's that. And they come with a basic toolkit, tiny thing of glue or wax, green tray, a couple baggies, and a drill pen. Now match this number here, W1557. That's what the number is on the bag. And that matches right there, W1557. I mean, we could open the package. Look at the drills. So they are round. And just numbered 1 through 17. So there's some of the colors if you want to get a good glimpse at them. Number 11, which is 762, this gray color here. There's a lot. There's a couple packets of it. Yeah, it's the flowers that are in the background. It doesn't look like it's snow. It looks like flowers and then a blue sky. So, I don't know. It looks like there's holly or mistletoe or something behind them. So, I guess seeing the larger picture will give you a better visual as to if that's snow or not. But to me, it looks like they're flowers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So all the colors are here. And I was trying to see if one of the red colors is 666, but it's not. They've got 606 and 947, 817, 300. There's a lot of different reds. So there's this one. Okay, so number 2. This is a picture of this one. It looks like they're lovebird couples. Not lovebirds, but they're couples. The male and female cardinal. Because it looks like these guys are the same coloration of the first one. And that just indicates to me that would be a female cardinal. Now this one's a really green image. Lots of green in it. That first one had quite a bit of color blocking. Where this one, it doesn't have, it has very little color blocking. It is a lot of confetti in this one. But the same deal, they have the DMC codes, numbers and letters for the key. I do like that a lot. And then you can see, here's the clarity of the symbols on this one. I think the 2 is a little hard to read, but because there's no other letter that looks like a 2, like they're not using a Z or anything, it should be easy to distinguish. Yep, look at all that. It's really clear. The 6s are a little blurry right in that spot. It looks like something was going on with the printer. But those E's and 6s are a little smudged. But you can tell the difference between the E and the F, because the E's green and the F is brown. But it might just be, yeah, the E's are a little smudged throughout. So that's about the only one. See, the 2s are really easy to read here. It was just over here that they got a little bit different. But it might be because of all the color on this one as to why. So there's that. And this is the same size as the first one. So it's about a 25 by 35. And it's got the same kit. And I'm just going to compare the numbers because the drills are, you know, they're going to be there. They're in sequential order. And because this is from Amazon, if you are ever missing anything, it's super easy to contact the seller and get what you're missing. But this is W1558. And that's what it says up here at the top. So those do match. And this one is, I'm wondering if they're the 4 seasons. I don't know. We'll find out because I really don't know what the other ones look like yet. But this one would be maybe a summer picture. And that first one maybe was spring. So let's check out the next one and see what it tells us. Okay, the third one is 1559. And let's see, here's a picture of this one. Now this one looks to be like, it doesn't look any different in seasons than the one we just looked at. So I don't think that but it could be autumn. Because we've got spring, summer, and autumn so far. And 19 colors on this one. Let's see, the second one had 20 colors. Yeah, that makes more sense because there was a lot of greens in there. And this one's just almost as many colors, but the majority of the colors here that aren't green are just the birds. And it looks like these are pine cones or something. Maybe that's a big ladybug. I can't tell. I think it's a pine cone. But this one's got a lot of color blocking in this. Well, this one does have a lot of color blocking. As you can see, all this area down here at the bottom is one color. And the background over here is a bit speckled, so there's two different colors. But you've got a lot of color blocking in the greens. But there's a lot of different shades to work with here. So I think this set should be called Cardinal Couples. Cardinal Lovers. There you go. So again, this is the same size as the other two. 35, 25 by 35. All letters and numbers in the key with DMC codes. W1559. And there we have that same number on the drills. And again, I don't need to open those. Same kit. There you go. And I will check real quick after I show you the fourth one to see what it's actually selling for on Amazon. So there's number 3. And number 4, I kind of think that this might be, yes, it looks wintry. It definitely has winter in it. So here's the big picture of this one. So I would say that these are the Cardinal Couples 4 Seasons. Okay. This is W1560. Oh yeah, this is pretty. I love images that have the snowy backgrounds. For some reason, I don't know. Maybe because, well, one of the reasons is probably because I like to do the color blocking. But I think that it just pops the colors. Black and white both tend to do something with the colors when it's a background. But this is my favorite of the 4. And not because of color blocking or anything, just because of the coloring. I do love the coloring. And this one has 20 colors. Again, the key, numbers, letters, DMCs. And this, you can see the color blocking in this. And these symbols look really clear on this one. Look at that. And it seems that on all 4 of them, the male cardinal is like the focal point of each one of them because he's big. I mean, I think that's how it is in nature anyway. I'm not really a bird. I don't have a lot of knowledge about birds, but I do believe when it comes to birds and things, animals, that the male is bigger. And that makes sense. But it feels like almost like he's larger than life. And that would make sense in these pictures because it's supposed to be couples and showing who's dominant. And I don't know. I like the snowy background. I like this the most. And it doesn't have, it does have confetti. I will admit there is quite a bit of confetti, but it's not too bad. These drills here look a little different. They were packed with a different style bag, but the W1560 is on these bags, so we know these are the colors that go to this diamond painting. And the kit is the same for this one as well. So let me double check real quick the price, and I'll be right back. Right, so these are the seasons. I did check and saw the big pictures, which I hadn't seen till now. And yeah, so it went spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And it is only $16.99 for all 4 of these. So that's pretty good. $17 and you get 4 diamond paintings. That is, let's see if I can do quick math here. 850, then so $4.25, about $4.25 for each one. Yeah, $4.25. That's not bad. Plus it's on Prime, so you can get it super quick. And if you like birds, this would make a great 4-pack for the wall somewhere or gifts. Yeah, I think they're really pretty. And now you know. Now you know where you can get them and how much they are. And now you've seen them up close too. You can see that the symbols are really nicely done, easy to read. Love that they have the symbols are in numbers and letters and not in some weird symbols that are hard to translate. And the clarity is pretty good, just that one had some smudging on it, but otherwise I think it's a really good 4-pack. So if you're interested in getting this 4-pack, I will leave a link to it down below in the description box. And other than that, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. You know the speech about that. So guys, have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.